Showing you guys how you guys can log in or register for HSBC Bank's mobile banking. Alright, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. And before that, for those people who do not know what HSBC UK is, HSBC UK is a British multinational universal bank and a financial service holding company. It is the second largest bank in Europe behind BNP Paribas with total equity of US $206.777 billion. That's a lot of money being stored in this bank, alright? So you can understand how big this bank is. Now let me show you guys how you guys can use its app. First step, you can easily download HSBC UK Bank from your Play Store and App Store. If it is not available in your Play Store or App Store, then basically HSBC Bank is not available in your country, alright? So open its app by downloading it. And after you download it, it's going to greet you with this sector. Now once you're over here, you can click on Register Log On Now in order to log in into your account. And if you have not yet created an account, then you can register for its mobile and online banking sector over here by clicking on it and filling up its form, alright? And if you want to see what's new in this bank, you can always click on see what's new in order to see the latest news. But I'm going to click on log on now to teach you guys how you guys can log in into your account. Once you click on log on now, it's going to ask you to enter your username. So you can enter your username over here. And after entering your username, you can click on continue. And on the next step, it's going to ask you to enter the password of your account if the username you entered over here is correct. If it is incorrect, it's going to give you information like this. So make sure to enter a correct username and then enter your correct password, and you should be able to log in into your HSBC Bank's online banking account.